Good morning, Shane with Modern Trailer Sales. Today we're looking at the 2020 Wildwood 261BHXL. First we're going to start with the power tongue jack. Let's make it easy. Solid step. Let's make it easy. Your outside kitchen, refrigerator, sink, induction cooktop, even comes with a pan. Let's make it easy. Coming inside, we got a front queen bed. We have a jackknife sofa that'll sleep two. We have a booth dinette that'll sleep two. We have double over double bunks. We're gonna sleep four more. Here's an awesome feature this unit has. 10.7 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. Let's make it easy. Ducted air conditioning, ducted heat. This unit is a 2020 Wildwood 261 BHXL. This unit's gonna sell for right around $16,000. Give us a call at 765-644-4497 or look us up online at www.moderntrailer.com.